Today we are going to perform practical number 2, that is measure the illumination output of different lamps like incandescent, fluorescent and CFL and compare it with their wattage. The prior concept of this experiment is the first type of lamp, second illumination level by different types of lamps. The proposition for this experiment, first one is good illumination scheme, that is it should provide adequate illumination, it should provide uniform illumination on all working plane. Third, it should avoid glare and shadows as far as possible. It should have good color rendering effect. Then second preposition is luminous efficiency. It should have high efficiency. Then what resource required or apparatus required to perform this practical? First, auto transformer having the range 0 to 260 volt. Second, voltmeter having the range 0 to 250 volt. Then wattmeter 5 ampere 300 volt 1500 watt. Then incandescent lamp having the wattage 200, fluorescent tube 40 watt. Then CFL 40 watt and lux meter. This is the connection arrangement for incandescent lamp. So, with this component or equipment, we can connect the circuit as per this circuit diagram. It shows the connection arrangement for incandescent lamp. It is connected across the auto transformer as well as voltmeter. Then wattmeter is used to measure consumed energy by incandescent lamp, and then incandescent lamp is connected. If all the connection are connected for 230 volt AC supply. This is the connection diagram shows for CFL lamp which have little bit difference, that is in place of incandescent lamp here we can use compact fluorescent lamp. Then this is the connection diagram shows for incandescent tube, compact fluorescent tube which have also little bit difference, that is instead of using incandescent lamp or CFL lamp here we have to use compact fluorescent tube. Remaining connection are same as per the previous circuit diagram. Then we can connect the diagram as per the circuit.
Then we can connect first diagram for incandescent lamp as per the circuit diagram. First we can give single phase 230 volt supply to this auto transformer having the range 0 to 260 volt and having two terminal, phase and neutral. The phase terminal of this auto transformer is connected to the common terminal of an voltmeter. Then the common terminal of voltmeter is connected to the M terminal of wattmeter. Then M terminal and C terminal are short circuited. Then L terminal of this wattmeter connected to the first terminal of load bank. Then the second terminal of load bank is connected to the V terminal of wattmeter. Then the V terminal of wattmeter is connected to the range terminal of voltmeter. Then the range terminal of voltmeter is connected to the neutral terminal of an auto transformer, and incandescent lamp are connected for measuring the illumination level of that lamp. So this is the practical setup for incandescent lamp. So as per the circuit diagram we can connect this practical setup. So as per the procedure, first we can switch on the supply. Then with the help of auto transformer we can give the rated voltage which is shown on voltmeter. and then measure power or energy consumed by this incandescent lamp, which is 200 watt. Then we can check the illumination level for this incandescent lamp with the help of this lux meter. See, the illumination level for incandescent lamp is 131 into 10 lux. Then we can be then we can connect the second diagram for CFL lamp as per the circuit diagram. First, we can give single phase 230 volt AC supply to the auto transformer C having the range 0 to 260 volt having two terminal. So the connection of this second diagram will be same as per the first diagram. The little bit change in the second diagram is that in place of incandescent lamp we can connect this CFL lamp. Then we can take the second reading. For repeat the same procedure, first we can switch on the supply, then give the rated voltage which is shown on voltmeter. Then measure the power or energy consumed by CFL lamp which is shown on wattmeter. C which is 40 watt. Then we can check the illumination level for this CFL lamp which is shown on lux meter. C which is 225 into 10 lux. Then we can connect the third diagram for compact fluorescent tube as per the circuit diagram. First we can give single phase 230 volt to this auto transformer. Then the phase terminal of this auto transformer is connected to the common terminal of an voltmeter. Then the common terminal of voltmeter is connected to the M terminal of wattmeter. Then M terminal and C terminal are short circuited. Then the L terminal of wattmeter is connected to the first terminal of this compact fluorescent lamp. Then the V terminal of wattmeter is connected to the second terminal of this compact fluorescent lamp. Then the V terminal of wattmeter is connected to the range terminal of voltmeter, and the range terminal of voltmeter is connected to the neutral terminal of auto transformer. So the connection are same as per the previous two circuit diagram. The little bit change is that in place of CFL lamp or compact fluorescent incandescent lamp we can connect the compact fluorescent tube. So this is the practical setup for compact fluorescent tube. So as per the procedure we can switch on the supply and give the rated voltage with the help of auto transformer up to the rated voltage. See, the tube light or compact fluorescent tube will on. See, we can give the rated voltage to 30 volt. Then we can check the power or energy consumed by this compact fluorescent tube which is 40 watt, and then check the illumination level for this compact fluorescent tube which is shown on lux meter. C, which is 716 lux.
Then observation table, which shows the observation regarding the power consumed and level of lux for incandescent lamp having the wattage 200 watt, and it gives 1 into 10 lux level. Then second, compact fluorescent lamp having 40 watt power consumed, and it gives 2 to 5 into 10 lux level. And then third, fluorescent tube having the wattage 40 watt, and it gives 716 lux level. So for this observation table or reading, we can conclude that the CFL lamp have a low power consumption and having good lux level. So as compared to incandescent lamp and fluorescent tube, the CFL lamp have good illumination scheme or higher efficiency. Then the conclusion of this experiment. From this experiment, we conclude that there is a different illumination level for different lamps. Also, we are able to compare illumination and wattage of different lamps.